Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a simple React.js pagination library which is used to paginate data which can include text and images. So in this specific example I am taking an example of images. So I have 6 images to display. So what I have done is that I am displaying 2 images per page, and you can see it has created these 3 pages. So we are on the first page and total 3 pages are there. So we can navigate to the second page and third page. So if I go to the next page, the second page, the next 2 images will show. And lastly, if I click the third page, the last 2 images will show. So this is the nice little pagination library specifically designed for React.js application. So the name of the package is sweetpagination. So if you go to npmjs.com, just search for this module, which is sweetpagination. This is actually the name of the module. It's a pagination React component library, and you just need to install it. I will show you the complete example. Command is very simple. You install it by executing this command, and it's a fairly new package, 55 weekly downloads, and they do offer various themes. By default, this will be the color combination. You can change it to this as well, so they have got a nice little documentation. I will show you the complete example. So first of all, just make a simple functional component, and then you need to import this package. So we use the import statement, and then we say sweet pagination, and it will be coming from this package sweet pagination, and it's almost 18 kilobytes, this sweet pagination. And after this we are looping through the images. So my images are present in my assets directory in the source. So we have these 6 images. So one by one I will import all these images using the import statement. So I will just paste this. You can take any data of your choice. It can be text, images, anything. So we are importing one by one from my assets directory. So after importing all these images, now I will come to this component, and for this we need a simple state variable to hold the current page data for the pagination. So this single data variable is required. For this we will be using the useState hook, and the initial value will be empty array. So by default we are declaring the state variable where we'll be holding the pagination data. By default it's a empty array, and then we'll be holding a images array where I will simply declare image1. So we'll basically paste all the images that we imported and create a simple array. So all the 6 images will be there in this array. So one by one we imported all this. So now we have this images array. So now we come to the JSX. So wherever you need to do the pagination, we will style it simply by aligning this in the center position and just give it a simple padding of 20 pixel. So this will make it in the center position. I just give it a h1 tag, image pagination, and then I will simply give it another div, and this time I will change the styling to display to flex. So this is, I am just doing it for styling the pagination. This is not required, but just required for styling it little bit more, justify content to center. And I will have a gap of around 10 pixel, and flex wrap I will change this to wrap. That's all that we need to do. And inside this we will loop through the current page data, and we will map each image like this. In this we will have this image tag, and I will just give it a key parameter which will be equal to index source will be equal to the image, and then I will just give it a style of width of 200 pixel the image, and height of 150 pixel like this. And I will also give it a border radius of 8 pixel. That's all that we need to do. And just if you just see now, refresh your application, you will see this heading will be showing. but you will not see the images. For the images to show, we do need to add the pagination component that we imported. If you see sweet pagination, so at the bottom side, after you do this, we need to embed the pagination. So we simply write the component name, and it actually takes some parameters. The first parameter it's take is the current page data variable, and this will be, we'll set the, use this hook function that we declared. Currently the images will be empty. We will be using this hook function and passing it. The second parameter is take is the get data. So which images that you want to display. So we are displaying this images array. We are simply passing this. So this is our data. It will be coming from database or API. By default, in this example, I am just declaring a static array which contains these 6 images, and we have this images array, and we are simply passing this to this para component. And then data per page. This is actually a parameter it takes. So how many images you want to display per page. So I will be displaying 2 images. And then if you also want the navigation, you will set it to true. So the navigation controls will also be there. If you try to refresh now, you will see instantly images will show, and also you will see that 3 pages have been automatically created for the pagination. So we are on the first page. If I navigate to the second page, you will see the next 2 images. If I navigate to the third page, you will see the next 2 images. So in this way, guys, you can actually make a nice little React pagination component which will be able to paginate your images very simply. I have given all the source code which I have used in this video in the description of this video. So if you want this full source code, you can go to the description and get the source code and copy paste it. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and also check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.